Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to connect this Redmi phone to TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. First in TV, go to settings, select this settings icon from top right corner. Then select network and internet, select it. So here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect TV to Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So after that, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Tap here. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So this is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Then tap on connection and sharing, tap here. Then go down. Here you can see wireless display, tap on that. See, you can see this mobile phone has detected Google TV, this is a Google TV which I am using. So this mobile phone has detected Google TV and Android TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let me tap on this TV name. So this is the name of the TV which I am using. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on start now. You can see screen mirroring is working. See, so this is the method 1. So next I will show you how we can stop this screen mirroring. Again go to that wireless display. Then tap on this connected Google TV name. So here you will get a disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Open Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store icon. Then install this Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me tap on open. Then tap on devices. Tap here. Tap on this devices tab. So here you can see this Google Home app has so detected Google TV and Android TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see the TV name. So in this Google Home app, we need to log in with the Gmail ID. I already logged in. Then tap on this TV name. So this is the name of the TV which I am using. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on customize screen. Then tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Screen mirroring working. So this is a method 2. If you want to see this in full screen, you can enable screen rotation in this mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. So let me show how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Here you can see a stop mirroring option. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.